Hi, this is Angela with the Tech Teach Grow team with another tech tip for you this week. Hey staff, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add comment codes to your assignments in Gradebook. So first we're going to go to Gradebook. We need to make sure comment codes are turned on. So we're going to go to our options under assignments, under grading. You're going to make sure comment codes is turned to on. Once that's turned on, you can add comment codes. You can add comment codes when you're clicking on the cards by marking things as missing or late. Or if you click into the assignment specifically and go to score, comment codes can also be added here in this column for comment codes. If you have synced your assignments with Google Classroom, the only place you can mark things excused is within this here, and then clicking on the excused. Hope this little tip helps you out. Thanks.